Hello, everybody. It's Monday. Happy Veterans Day to everybody that served. It's 1 o'clock p.m. We got about an hour to go to get to our stop. And it is 62 degrees. We're in Missouri.
Continue for 64 miles.
Yep. What I got going on. So yeah, I've been having a lot of trouble with my equipment, my video equipment. I'm trying to get it all sorted out, so hopefully my next video will be clean. Yeah, been having audio problems, so I don't know if it's not picking up my Bluetooth or what's going on. But get her figured out, Riggaronis. So that's what I got for now. Alright guys, this is a little treat for you. I'm sure no one's been here before, but we are going into some caves. Crazy. If you look straight ahead, there's an opening to the south, but I'm going to the east-west. We're going down over here.
Make a U-turn.
Sheesh. Like Batman. Alright, we're literally in a cave. Tell me this ain't wicked. I am Batman. Get the stop sign. Jeez, this is crazy. King, Ranger, Bird, Empire. Shit. So make a left, I think. This is wicked. Wow. I'm not liking this. I'm looking for 299. Okay, thank you. Sheesh, it's wicked. Alright, well, I gotta figure out where I'm going, so I'll be back. Alright, we got it in there. I had to back it around that wall to get it into this dock. Pretty wicked. Alright, we're leaving the caves. No cell phone reception down through here, nothing. Wicked. Long time ago, I went into some caves, but I don't think it was this one. Can't remember where it was, but yeah, I don't know the rhyme or reason other than it's for the weather, I guess. It gets so bad down through here. But, sure nice seeing some daylight. Gee. Okay. We made it. Yay! I'm all connected again. Bye for now. Let's see if I get this on camera. This guy's trying to make a freaking left-hand turn in the semi, and all these cars are flying up on his right side, trying to get around him. And he's trying to get over in that lane where they're at. It just cracks me up on how people are just so impatient, man. You know what I mean?